It's packed with flavor, aroma, texture, delicious. Hello guys, I'm Carlos and welcome to another video. The recipe that I want to present to you today, I thought about one time when I was snacking on some chili and lime tortilla chips. And the thing is that when you eat something like this or a bag of crisps, when you reach the bottom of the bag, you end up with pieces that are not as big. So that's why I thought of the silly idea of making a Mexican Fattoush salad with those bits. It's a Levantine cuisine classic, and it's a salad that is made with either fried or toasted flatbread. Don't feel that you need to go out of your way to find these same ingredients. Just use the ones you like and the salad is gonna turn out great. But if I can give you a few guidelines on how to make a killer salad, they would be to first use some fresh leaves, then some vegetables or fruit that is firmer so that it adds texture. Then add some fresh herbs. And then also add some bits like olives or pomegranate seeds, maybe some anchovies or a bit of feta cheese. And just bits that are gonna add pockets of flavor. We're gonna start washing all the leaves and the herbs. Use the lettuce that you like or the one that you have at home. I'm also gonna add some mint and then some coriander as well. Salad leaves and herbs, just like flowers, if they're feeling a little bit sad, if you let them be in ice cold water for like at least 15 minutes, it's gonna make a huge difference. So while that's happening, I'm gonna work on the vinaigrette. So I'm gonna start with extra virgin olive oil. This is gonna be 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna do the same with sesame seed oil. Then I'm gonna go for rice wine vinegar. I'm gonna add the same of lemon juice. Then I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. I'm gonna add like half a teaspoon of mustard. I'm gonna start with half a teaspoon of sea salt, and then we're gonna shake. And there you go. And then talking about those pockets of flavor, what I'm gonna do with this quarter of a lemon is I'm just gonna slice it as thinly as I can, and I'm gonna add it in the salad. Then I'm gonna grab a couple of these mini cucumbers. I'm gonna use like a handful of radishes, and then a bit of red onion. So I'm gonna start with some of this. Then I'm gonna add some of this lemon here, the lemon slices. Continue with the radish. I'm gonna do the same with the onion, and then the cucumber. For the aromatics, I'm just gonna run my knife through the leaves. So you're just gonna be very rough, just like this. And I'm gonna use half of them now and half of them at the end. Remember, when you season anything, you can always add more, you can never take away. So I'm gonna start with just this much. I'm just gonna go ahead with my hands here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add the olives. I really like olives, so I'm gonna go heavy on olives. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna serve an individual portion. I have a very nice plate. All I need to do is add a bit of a crumbled feta. And then of course, the fattoush or the Mexican fattoush element, my bits of tortilla chips, just everywhere. I'm just gonna finish with a bit more of these fresh herbs. All right, so let's give this a go. I wanna get a bit of everything. It's super versatile, very delicious, looks amazing, and it just has so much. It's packed with flavor, aroma, texture, and we're using the last bits of a Blanco Niño tortilla chip bag. I hope you try it at home. Let us know what you think, and keep enjoying our tortilla chips with some delicious recipes. Until next time.